different.
So this is March 2019. This is March 2019. This is a diagram. It looks to be a rectangle and a semicircle and a arc. He says calculate the perimeter of the logo. Perimeter means you have to move around the figure. It's March 2019, paper 42, question number 6. Now, the diagram shows a company logo made from a rectangle and a major sector of circle. The circle has center O, radius OA. He has given some values. He says calculate the perimeter of the logo. Perimeter means, remember this concept that perimeter means sum of all sides. So I have a side 1.5, but I don't have any other side. It's 0.25 given, and there is no CB. CB is 0.5, so I will write 0.5 here. And I have a 1.5 also. I have a 1.5, and remember you have to consider only the exposed sides. So first make this concept that I will not take this side. I will take this side, I will take this side. And if it is 1.5, there will be a 1.5 on this side also. Now I have 1.5, 1.5, 0.5. I have, if I work like here, I have these three sides. Now the problem comes here because I don't have this side, this big arc length. I don't have that. Then I have this side. Look, I have this side with me. I have this side. So I have this, but here, can you tell me the question mark? How much is this side?
The formula you're asking?
No. I put a question mark. Look, the question mark. How much is this side? And I have also underlined the guide area. I have made an arrow here for you, so you can tell me what is OD. I want to know what
OD is 0.5.
OD is 0.5. Good.
Yeah.
So you get the idea that step by step, you should try to get all the sides. I got this 0.5. Now, can you tell me if I move around the figure, yes. If I move around the figure, I have all the dimensions in my hand. Only one dimension is missing. I want to mark it here, 0, 1.5. Now I count now 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. I have 5 sides. In this figure has 5 sides. And now you can work with me. If you are working with me, now you can tell me which only one side is missing. Look at the screen, update with me, and so you also know that how many sides of this figure are.
I know the side, basically the sector.
I have marked for you the numbers, numbering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Can you tell me which number side is missing?
O and E.
You can't. You just say the number, na 1.
0.25.
I have marked the numbering. Look, this is 1. Look, please. 2, 3, 4, and fifth. There are 5 sides.
Okay.
Which side is missing?
Which side is missing? 4.
The side number 4 is missing. What is the value of side number 1?
1.5.
Side number 2?
0.5.
Side number 3?
1.5.
Side number 4 is missing. What is side number 5?
0.5.
So only one side is missing. This is arc length OA. All the other sides are available. So I show examiner some working 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 1.5 plus arc OA and plus 0.5. Can you add all these numbers except arc OA?
Sir, why aren't you adding arc OA?
I don't have a number.
Sir, isn't it 0.5?
Again, look number 4. This is the fourth one, arc OA. I write it here for you.
No,
This-
sir, but arc OA is right there, no? Isn't it on the top?
Arc means curved. Arc is not a straight line. Just imagine the word arc. I have written for you arc OA. Look, this
Okay.
is arc OA, which is missing. Arc OA is not a straight line. The word arc means curved.
Okay.
Now, this is the equation. Only one side is missing. Only one side is missing, which is arc OA. What is the formula for arc length? Mensuration is a formula-driven topic. If you remember the formula, you can do it. Otherwise, there's no chance of doing this chapter. What is the formula for arc length? Arc
Okay,
length.
formula for,
Yes. What is the formula for arc length?
yes, so the formula for arc length is,
You
I
can
think
look
it
in
was-
our notes.
okay. Okay, so the formula for arc length is 360 minus the angle divided by 360 angle times pi r squared.
Pi r square or 2 pi r? Arc length, not area.
So what is S? S equals, what is S is surface area?
Look at the screen. I have made
Yes,
an
sir,
arrow.
but I know you said 2 pi r.
No, I'm asking you the formula for arc length.
Oh, okay. Sir, what
You-
does the S represent?
The formula
What
you're
does the
telling
S represent?
is for area of the sector. Look, if you learn the formulas, you can manage this topic.
So, okay, area of the sector, and what is A representing?
You can, A for area, you can go through the formulas. You can see the formulas. You can ideally learn it. Otherwise, look at the formulas. I'm looking for arc length formula.
Okay, so it's 360 minus angle divided by 360 angle times 2 pi r.
Yes, now you have reached the right formula. Now I work out here because I don't have the angle, okay? I don't have the angle and I have to stop here. Let me clean it. I'm stuck here because I don't have the angle. I've removed it and now I mark an angle, let's say theta here. This is also 0.5 and this angle is 90. It's a triangle. Can you recall for me in a trigonometry how I can find the angle?
And how you can find the angle? You
There
can use
there are 3 ratios,
Pythagoras,
sine, cos.
let's put- Oh
Let
yes,
me-
yes, yes. You can use
Let me make the triangle here. and this is the triangle, and this is the angle theta. This is 90. 0.25 and 0.5. 0.25 and
So I already gave the angle though.
sorry,
Didn't it already give angle?
no, I have supposed 30, I have supposed theta myself. 90 is a right angle triangle, so 90 can't be taken. It's not an angle. It's a part of
Oh,
that. So opposite to theta is called, this is opposite. This is called hypotenuse. And this is called adjacent. Now, trigonometry comes. Do you remember there are three trigonometry ratios: sine, cos, and tan?
yes. Yes.
There are three trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, and tan. Sine, cos, and tan. So I have hypotenuse 0.5. I have adjacent 0.25. So I will use cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. And
Okay, so whenever they give like a right angle, that doesn't count, right? You have to still find the angle if there's a 90 degree.
because 90 degree is a complementary angle. 90 degree can't be used because angle is theta. If any other angle is given, then it's fine. 0.25 upon 0.5. So work with me, and you need a calculator. The calculator should be in degree mode. Now, do you know how to use a calculator in cos inverse case? How to inverse cos in a calculator?
Inverse,
You can follow the calculation on the screen. I want to see if you get to the degree mode step. First copy till here. First copy till the degree mode step.
yes.
Okay, now you have to see the you have to take out your calculator.
Yes, I did.
Now you have to do this calculation. Okay, take out your calculator, and you need a
I
button.
did.
First, if you have a Casio machine, press shift, then press cos, and then type 0.5.
0.5. Okay.
Yes.
Equals. It says equals 60.
Very good. Cos 0.5 equal. So theta comes to be, as you say, 60.
Yeah.
So I got the angle 60 theta, and you already told me the formula for arc length. The symbol is S. So S is equal to 360 degree minus theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So S is equal to 360 degree minus 60 upon 360 into 2 pi. What is the radius? Radius is 0.5. 2 pi into 0.5. Now solve this to get arc length.
Okay, so I got 1130.449, which could be 5 or 5.
So what did you get? Can you please tell me? S.
S is 1130.449.
No, it can't be so big.
Um,
You have to check the calculation again, because
okay,
the numbers you are telling is quite big.
okay, I'll check.
Check it again.
Okay, sir, I got 2.617.
Acha. $359. I'm getting 359. And then subtract from 60. I'm getting 0.05.
0. No, sir, I'm getting 2.617.
2 point. Acha, you're right, because 2.5 looks fine. 0.5 is looking quite slow. But now I'm getting 0.52. I'm getting 0.523. I'm getting this. We have to look for a check, because
Wait, I have a question. I have a question. It was 360 minus angle divided by 360.
but
So
first
then
solve
why?
the bracket now. First solve the bracket. 60 upon 360 is 1 upon 6 into
Sir, but
2
why did you
pi.
put in a bracket? Why did you put in a
Otherwise,
bracket?
otherwise, when you type in calculator, you can make a big mistake. Brackets are there because to save it. Otherwise, and if a person is using a calculator, she can directly subtract without multiplying, because multiply comes first. It's a Bodmer's
Okay.
rule. Huh? So I have made a bracket to avoid any error. So first solve the bracket and then simply
I did, yes. I solved the back end. I did get 0.523.
so 0.52 is coming. Now look at equation number 1 where we stopped. Look at equation number 1. What was equation number 1?
4. 4 plus arc OA.
So what
But
is the
sir,
R we got?
sir, the thing is, I did not minus 360.
But I minused it and I'm getting 0.52. Let's do this and check it up from the book.
Okay.
And if we are getting the arc length as 0.52, we'll add it here. And we can check the calculation from the back also. Is
Okay.
getting 4.52.
Yeah. So this was not the answer in the back.
Check the answer again.
I'm gonna check.
And I'm checking, meanwhile, I'm checking the calculation.
Okay. In the back, the answer is for A, it's 5.83, or it could be 5.832, or it could be 5.833.
They are getting 5.83.
Yes. Before, when I was doing it, I got 5.785.
This formula is giving a problem because I think this formula is not correct. Angle is fine, angle is 60, but the formula is not this. This is a problem here. So let's fix it from the formula side. The angle is 60. Now look at this angle. Where is 60? Angle is 60. Look, this angle, theta. I mark it here. Look at this one. This angle is 60. Okay. Now, I need this angle. I need this angle. I got this angle 60. This is 90. And I need this angle X. Can you help me to find this angle X? X plus 90 plus 60. The whole circle is always 360.
Yes.
So now solve this.
Sir, the angle is 210. But sir, this is very like confusing, like in the paper, like
No,
you
in the
wouldn't know
paper is
which angle.
confusing because we are doing directly paper 4. And if you remember, the actually formula was wrong. I didn't notice it and the formula was wrong. If we put wrong formula, then it's our mistake. You have to put the angle which is inside the sector. We got the angle outside the sector. So if we put the formula here and we get it like this is arc length. Now see this calculation.
Yes, I see.
What answer is coming for S now?
Wait, oh wait, sir, you're not gonna minus with 360 now?
That was a mistake. I don't know how we wrote to minus 160. There's no need to minus from 360.
Okay, okay. So I got 1.83. 1.83. Yes.
Now look at this calculation, complete it. He says find the area of the logo. This area means it has a rectangle. The diagram shows it has a rectangle. Let's say it is area 1 and it has a sector area 2. Look at the second part of the question. He says area of the logo. So the area means here A1, which is belonging to a rectangle, plus A2, which is a major sector. Can you tell me the formula for area of a rectangle?
Area of a rectangle is length times width.
And here one is 1.5 and one is 0.5. So when I find this area, I write down the formula of area of a rectangle, length into breadth, plus area of a sector. I'm writing down the formula 360 degree into pi r square. Copy down this step.
Okay.
So you have all the values. Length is 1.5, breadth is 0.5, angle is, we found the angle, our angle was 60, then it becomes 120. Where is the angle? Oh, angle is 210. Angle is 210 and radius is 0.5. I put all the values for you and you are supposed to find the area. Just solve it. I'm just coming. Solve this calculation.
Hello, sir.
What answer you are getting?
Sir, I'm getting 1.208.
That's it, 1.208.
Yes.
Then check it, even though it's looking very small number,
Yes, I did. I checked that. It's correct.
is it matching?
Yes, it's 1.21. They rounded it off as well.
You are saying 1.21.
Yes.
Then he says mathematically similar logo is drawn. The area of this logo is 77.44. Radius of the major sector of this logo. He is drawing a similar logo. Again, you have to see the formula for similar figures. So can you tell me the formula for area in case of similar figures?
Okay.
Notes, similar figure area, ratio of areas.
Yes. For the area, it's gonna be area 1 divided by area 2 equals length 1 divided by length 2 whole square.
Good.
No, not
This is
that 2. Yeah.
first copy down the formula. We got an area 1.21. And he is giving a new area 77.4.
Yes.
Now, what is the, he's talking about area, radius of the major sector. What was the radius of our major sector?
0.5. 0.5.
So, area of major sector was 0.5. So I'm using that 0.5. He is asking me to get the area, radius of the bigger sector. So first copy this much.
Yes, sir. So the length could be considered as radius as well.
Length is a simple unit. Na? It can be anything. Length is anything straight. Can you help me to divide this 77.44 divided by 1.21? How much is this?
77.44 divided by 1.21.
The fraction on the left side.
Okay. That's 64. 64.
How to remove the square sign? This is a square.
Square sign is you take square root.
Very good. Now this is the equation. Help me to find under root of 64.
It's 8. Yes. So now you would do 8 times 0.5, which would be 4. So x equals 4.
So share this working.
Yes, sir, I already did.
A gold model is made. The model is a prism with a cross section of area 77.44. This gold model is 15 millimeter thick. 1 cubic centimeter of gold has a mass of 19 gram. Calculate the mass of the gold model in kg. He's talking about prism. He's talking about a prism.
Yes.
So we have to draw a prism for our reference. Because we need its volume. So draw with me. So you have to recall prism shape. Now this is the shape of the prism. Now this is a prism, and we are supposed to find, is a prism gold medal 15 millimeter thick. So this is 15 millimeter thick, and this area is 77.44 centimeter square. Say cubic centimeter. Look, this word cubic centimeter is unit of volume. Cubic centimeter used here. This cubic centimeter means cm cube, and cm cube is a unit of volume. This cubic centimeter means cm cube. So examiner says 1 cm cube is how much? 19 gram. And he's asking me to find the mass of the gold model in kg. So I need volume of this prism now. What is the main formula of volume? Volume is equal to, this is a standard formula, volume is equal to base area into height. What is the relation between millimeter and centimeter? 1
Millimeter and
centimeter is equal to
1,000 millimeter. Oh no.
millimeter. Conversions are very necessary. Actually, mensuration is a memory game. I'm dividing 15 by 1000. Why I'm dividing 15 by 1000?
Because
The mistake 15 divided by, let me correct and I will ask again. 15 divided by, I want to convert it into centimeter. And I'm dividing 15 by 10.
yes,
Why I'm dividing by 10?
because you're converting it into a
Yes,
smaller
because
unit.
I need to convert it in 1 unit.
Yes. So it's gonna be 1.5.
Sorry, what is the final answer? 15 into 15 upon 10 into 77.44.
Okay. That is 116.16.
116.
Yes, 0.16.
Now apply ratio. 1 cm cube is 19 gram. I have 116.16 centimeter cube. Let's say x. X is equal to 19 into 116.16.
So it's 2,200
20.
and yes,
Sorry, 20.
2007.04.
No, sorry.
2207.04.
220. Are you saying 220 or 20?
Double two.
220
7.04
gram.
gram. Sir, but it says kg,
Yes.
kilogram.
So why I'm dividing by 1000?
Okay. Sir, okay.
Can you please divide for me? Move the decimal back.
So, yes, I did. It's 2.207.
Now, can you please look in your book? What is the question after this? I mean, year number after this question or before this question?
After it's October, November 2018, paper 42, question 10.
Is this the question?
Yes.
$75 liters per second.
Yes, the question.
So read the question. When the gates in there's a lake behind a dam has an area of 55 hectares. When the gates in the dam are opened, water flows out at a rate of 75,000 liter per second. Show that 90 million liter of the water flows out in 20 minutes. It's a ratio question. So first you write 75,000 liter per second. Per second means 1 second. He's giving me 20 seconds. So I am converting 20 minutes into second. 1200. Solve it now.
Sir, I solved it and I got 90 million. Sir, how did you know to do this?
Ratio.
Yes.
If you know the price of one book and you want to find the books, suppose 30 or 50, how you solve it? Ratio. Mensuration is always ratio. Mensuration is 80% ratio questions.
Yes.
Beneath the surface, the lake has vertical sides. Calculate the drop in the water level of the lake when the gates are open for 20 minutes. Hectare is equal to 10 power 4 meter square and 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube.
Yes.
So it's a case of, again, ratio. You should first find the volume of the lake and see the drop in water level of the lake when the gates are open for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, 90 million water has gone. Liter is a unit of volume. And the formula is volume is equal to base area into height. Our volume is 90 million. So it will be 90 into 10 to the power 6. 1 hectare is 10 power 4 meter square. And I have 55 hectare. See this working? Please quickly solve it. It's getting 163.63. Okay, can you listen? Can you hear me, Asim? Hello.
Yes, sir. I got the same answer.
Okay, fine. Then we keep it up to here and we will continue in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.